At Youth Fountain, we have discovered a revolutionary anti-aging breakthrough. We searched the entire world for rare supernatural extracts and life-giving essential elements. And then, after hundreds of scientific experiments and studies, and years of testing and clinical trial, we finally perfected the world's most powerful anti-aging formula. This miracle of science and nature is proven to slow, prevent, and even reverse the signs of aging. BioAromist, created for you, created for life. Discover the power of Youth Fountain and change your life. Youth Fountain, discover a new you. Discover a new life. Discover the power of one. Say no to expensive, messy, and time-consuming multiple skin and hair care products. Simplify your life and discover Miracle One. Miracle One is the complete solution for your face, body, and hair that will make you look younger and feel more beautiful in just 2 weeks. You don't need more supplements. You need the perfect supplement. Discover the new you. Discover Vital One. Beauty starts on the inside of you. Vital One is the world's most powerful anti-aging supplement. It is scientifically proven to provide you with the perfect whole body health. Youth Fountain, the one solution to change your life.